Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today's student learning outcomes are control statement, conditional statement, structure and use of if statement, structure and use of if else statement. Control statement. Computer programmers also have to make decision and perform some operation depending on the user input to the program. Control structures are used in program to implement decisions. A control statement is an instruction which determines the sequence of execution of other statement. In other words, it controls the flow of execution of program statements. A condition statement is an instruction in a programming language that contains a condition. When a condition statement is executed, first the condition is evaluated and then based on the result true or false, a particular statement or a set of statements is executed. Condition statement of C++ language are if else, else if and switch statement. Structure of if statement. The if statement has the following journal form: if condition, braces and block of statement. When this statement is executed, the condition is evaluated. If the condition is true, then the block of statement within the braces will be executed. If the condition is false, then the block of statement within the braces will be skipped and the control will be transferred to the next statement if any exists. If there is only one statement to be executed, if the condition is true, then braces are not required. Use of if statement. Consider program in C++ you can see on the screen. This program will print positive number entered by the user. If the user enter a negative number, it is skipped. This is our header file IOStream, standard namespace. This is our main function. Here we declare a variable number of integer type. Now read this number, scene number. Now check the condition if number is positive or not. If number greater than 0, then you enter a positive number. For example, this is a possible output. Enter an integer. We enter 45. So 45 is greater than 0. Therefore, our condition is true and it will print you enter a positive number. Now consider another output. If we enter an integer -15, -15 is not greater than 0, therefore our condition is false and it will not print any kind of message and it will skip the statement you enter a positive integer. Structure of if-else statement. The if-else statement is used in situation where some code is to be executed if a condition is true and some other code is to be executed if the condition is false. The if-else statement has the following journal form: if condition, braces, block of statement and braces, else, block of statement. When if else is executed, the condition is evaluated. If the condition is true, then the block of statement following if will be executed and the block of statement following else will be skipped. If condition is false, then the block of statement following if will be skipped and the block of statement following else will be executed. If a single statement is to be executed after if or else, then braces are not required. Now use of if-else statement. Dear student, you can see the modified form of previous program to check whether a number is positive or negative. Here we use if-else structure. So program to print positive or negative number entered by the user. This is our header file, standard namespace, our main function, number of integer type, enter integer, read the number, seen number. Now check the condition whether it is positive or negative. If number greater than 0, you entered a positive integer, then it will print the number and move to the next line. Otherwise else, if condition is false, if number is not greater than 0, then message will print you entered a negative number. Here is output, enter an integer. Here we type 45, so it will print the message you enter a positive number integer because 45 greater than 0. Now another possible output, enter an integer. Here we type -9. In the output of this, you entered a negative number -9, as -9 not greater than 0, therefore condition is false. So statement after else block will be executed. Okay dear student, that is the end of today's lecture. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself. You can see few questions on the screen which are based on today's lecture. Kindly solve them. Thank you.